Okay, all gamers, I have a news for you. Have you heard about Plantation in Grenaa? Maybe not. So couple yourself from your computer and reconnect with the real world in Grenaa Plantation. In Grenaa Plantation are a space for you where you can go in or you can take your own cycle with you to Grenaa Plantation. In Grenaa Plantation are a space for you where you can go in or you can take your own cycle with you to Grenaa Plantation. So come out and get some fresh air and you can prove about how your next move in your next game being. But there is another benefit of walking or cycling in Plantation, is that you become better at keeping focus and strength for your endurance. You can also take your friends with you so your friends also get the benefit, so you can be a better gamer now you come home from Grenaa Plantation. So get your ass off the chair and take your friends with you and come down to the Grenaa Plantation.